Right now, the stock market is sitting at a very interesting point. There's uncertainty, mixed signals, and a lot of investors are still waiting on the sidelines. But if history has taught us anything, it's this. Market rallies don't begin when everything looks perfect. They begin when fear is still in the air and opportunities are quietly building beneath the surface. Smart money understands this, and instead of waiting, it starts positioning early. In today's video, we're going to break down 7 US stocks that could potentially explode before the next major market rally even begins. Let's start with one of the most talked about companies in the world right now, Nvidia. Nvidia has become the backbone of the artificial intelligence boom. Its powerful GPUs are essential for AI training, data centers, and machine learning applications. As companies across the globe race to adopt AI, Nvidia sits right at the center of this massive transformation. Even after impressive growth, demand continues to surge, and many experts believe we are still in the early innings of the AI revolution. If that's true, Nvidia could remain one of the biggest winners in the next market rally. Next up is Tesla. Now, Tesla has had its fair share of ups and downs, but that volatility often creates opportunity. Beyond electric vehicles, Tesla is heavily invested in AI, autonomous driving, and even robotics. Its long-term vision goes far beyond cars. If investor sentiment shifts back toward high-growth tech companies, Tesla could quickly regain momentum and potentially deliver explosive returns. It's a stock that thrives when optimism returns to the market. Moving on, we have Amazon. While Amazon may not always grab headlines like some high-flying tech stocks, it remains one of the most powerful businesses in the world. Its cloud computing arm, Oars, is now deeply integrated into the AI ecosystem, and that alone is a massive growth driver. On top of that, Amazon has been improving efficiency and cutting costs, which is boosting profitability. As consumer spending stabilizes and technology demand rises, Amazon could quietly outperform and surprise many investors. The fourth stock on our list is Microsoft. Microsoft is positioning itself as a leader in the next wave of innovation through artificial intelligence. By integrating AI into products like Office, Azure, and its broader ecosystem, the company is creating new revenue streams while strengthening its existing ones. What makes Microsoft particularly attractive is its balance between growth and stability. It's not just a high-potential stock, it's also one that institutional investors trust heavily during uncertain times.